That white crust on your shower door is not dirt. It's rock. Calcium and magnesium left behind every single time water dries it on a surface. The store sells you two answers for it. The cheap acid comes with a list of things it will ruin. Marble, natural stone, colored grout, aluminum, laminate. And the one that says it's safe on stone costs $22 a bottle. The powder that does the same job costs about $20 for a 5-pound bag, and that bag makes more than 70 bottles of cleaner. 28 cents each. The powder is citric acid, and here's the whole recipe. 1 tablespoon into 2 cups of warm water in any spray bottle. Spray it on, walk away for 5 to 10 minutes, wipe with a cloth. The crust lifts off without scrubbing. For buildup that's months old, use 2 tablespoons. Now, why this works where vinegar doesn't. Vinegar is about 5% acetic acid. It dissolves a little scale and then stops. Citric acid does something extra. It grabs the calcium ion and holds onto it so the mineral comes off the surface and stays in the liquid instead of settling back down. Chemists call that chelation. If you've sprayed vinegar on a shower door and watched it barely change, you weren't doing it wrong. Vinegar just can't do that part. My shower door looked frosted. Not dirty, frosted, like the glass came that way. I had written it off as permanent, and I was pricing out a replacement door. Then I sprayed it once, waited 8 minutes, and wiped. The glass went clear in one pass. I had been living with that for 2 years. Here's what the internet wanted me to buy instead. A whole house water softener runs $1,500 to $3,000 installed. A replacement shower door, $300 and up. And the store answer, a $22 bottle of hard water cleaner bought again every few weeks, forever. Against that, $20 of powder, $3 for a squeegee, and it lasts years. Citric acid sits at a pH around 2, so nothing grows in it, and it doesn't go bad on the shelf. One quick thing before the list. If this saves you money today, hit like and subscribe. It's free, it takes a second, and it helps this channel a lot. Spray the whole panel top to bottom, wait 5 to 10 minutes, wipe with a microfiber cloth. Don't scrub. The acid is doing the work while you're out of the room. If the glass has years of buildup, do it twice rather than harder. A second pass on softened scale beats an hour of scrubbing on hard scale. If the flow from your kitchen faucet has gone weak and splashy, it's usually not the plumbing. It's the little screen in the tip of the spout packed with mineral grit. Unscrew it by hand, drop it in a cup of the solution for 15 minutes, rinse, screw it back on. Full pressure back and it costs you nothing. That rust-colored line at the water level is mineral, not grime, which is why bleach whitens it and never removes it. Pour half a cup of the solution around the rim, leave it 20 minutes, 1 pass with the brush, flush. A coffee maker that used to brew in 4 minutes and now takes 7 is scaled up inside. 2 tablespoons dissolved in the water reservoir. Run 1 full cycle, then run 2 cycles of plain water to rinse. Brew time comes back the same day. If you're already thinking of something in your kitchen that needs this, a like right now really does help. This one comes with a free diagnosis. Cloudy glasses have 2 different causes and only one is fixable. Soak 1 glass in the solution for 15 minutes. If the cloudiness washes away, it was mineral film and your whole cabinet can be rescued. If it doesn't change at all, that glass is etched, the surface itself is eaten, and no product on earth brings it back. Etching comes from too much detergent in soft water, so cut your detergent dose in half and stop buying replacements. Kettle. Fill it with the solution, bring it to a boil, let it stand 20 minutes, dump and rinse twice. Showerhead. Fill a bag with solution, tie it around the head with a rubber band, leave it overnight. In the morning, every blocked jet sprays straight again. Scale doesn't just sit on the things you can see. It coats the heating element inside your water heater, and there it works like a blanket, so the element has to run longer and hotter to reach the same temperature. The Department of Energy puts the damage from a 1/4 inch of scale at 25 to 40% of heating efficiency. The average American home spends $400 to $600 a year heating water, so that's roughly $100 to $150 burned to heat minerals. Your dishwasher and washing machine have the same problem on a smaller scale. This is the part the label on the store bottle buries, and it applies to our cheap version exactly the same way. Citric acid is an acid. Keep it off marble, travertine, limestone, and any natural stone because those stones are calcium themselves, and the acid eats the polish permanently. Keep it off unsealed grout, aluminum, and anything with a painted or metallic glaze. And never mix it with bleach or any acid with bleach. That combination makes chlorine gas in a room with a closed door. If a surface is stone, use plain dish soap and water and accept the film. Removal is half the job. Scale forms when water sits and evaporates, so if the water leaves before it dries, nothing crystallizes. A $3 Fiji, 1 pass across the glass after every shower, 30 seconds. Then once a week, spray the same surfaces and wipe. That's it. The scale never gets past the stage where a cloth handles it, and you never stand there again looking at white crust, wondering how it got so bad. So the whole system is 1 powder, 1 spray bottle, and 1 squeegee. $20, and it outlasts about 70 bottles of the stuff you were buying. Start with the worst thing in your house tonight. Mix 1 tablespoon into 2 cups of warm water, spray it, and walk away for 10 minutes. And come back and see how much of what you thought was permanent damage was just minerals sitting on top. Thanks for watching all the way through. If this saved you from buying another bottle, hit like and subscribe. It's free, and it decides whether videos like this get shown to anyone at all. Tell me in the comments what you tried it on first. I'll see you in the next one.